Today we're vacuuming on the go and cleaning our area hands-free with our cool new portable vacuum. The portable vacuum comes with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual, your 2-in-1 brush and crevice tool, a flexible hose, a USB power brick, as well as a USB-C charging cable. And then of course, your vacuum. Unscrew the cover to reveal the dust compartment and filter. When you plug in your device, the front of the vacuum gives you a charging indicator light. Now that it's fully charged, it's time to give it a test. I used it to clean my desk, and it did a really good job. It has a suction force of 8,000 PA, and you can tell. Just look at this clip. You can see it snagging my mousepad and trying to suck it up. Then I wanted to try out some attachments, so I used the 2-in-1 brush tool to clean in between my keyboard keys. This attachment made it really easy to clean in the nooks and crannies of my keyboard and desk. After I was done cleaning my work area, I went on a cleaning rampage. Since I'm not attached to a wall and it's so lightweight, I was able to clean in all those hard to reach places. Then I saw it was doing a really good job of dusting the fake plants, and it was on. We have a lot of animals on our farm, and with that comes a lot of fur. So we have to vacuum constantly, and little things like this makes our lives so much easier. I keep this by the litter box and use it to vacuum up the little bit of cat litter that they kick out. Then we use the flexible hose attachment to help get cobwebs and dust in hard to reach corners. We even use it to tidy up our Jeep. It's the perfect little vacuum to take with you camping or on the go. Then, when your compartment is full, you just twist off the top, pop off the cap, and empty out your dust bin. Then, put it back on, and you're ready to vacuum some more. When you have a strong and portable vacuum that has a long run time like this, you find yourself vacuuming more, and it helps cut down on the dust and keep your house and car clean. So if you're looking for a strong and portable little vacuum for the car, or for the office, or for any of those hard to reach places, then this vacuum might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, then please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go enjoy my nice and clean desk. See ya!